Hi guys. Hi.
Also nice to find up. We will be Brazil later. And by the way, I wanted to ask, how did you guys spend your last holiday?
Hi Daru. Yo. Yeah, it's been a while. My holiday was amazing. I finally got the chance to visit Lake Toba in North Sumatra. It's one of the biggest lakes in the Southeast Asia, and it's just been talking. The scenery is so peaceful and the water is crystal clear. I stayed for 4 days, and every day felt like a dream.
That sounds awesome, baby. We've only seen photo of Lake Toba, but never been there like for me. I want to Bali. I know it sounds typical, but it's good to visit place I've never been to before. This thing I explored a bit more deeply. The trees, the ranches in Telagalang, the spirit monkey forest, and even yoga retreats. It's really refreshing for both body and mind.
Wow, but of you went to some cool place. I went to Ersteva, specifically to Malang and Batu. It was my first time there, and I was really surprised by how cool the weather was totally different from Jakarta. I visited Jatim Park 2, the Museum Angkut. Also went to Mos Bromo to can the sunset.
Mount Bromo, that's amazing. I've always wanted to go there. How was the experience?
I was only on the most unforgettable experience I ever had. We lived to hotel 2 a.m. to reach the viewpoint before sunset. I was freeze full of tree, but once the sun start to rise over the most styling, the view was just magic. You could see the sea of gold and the smoke pouring out from the kettle. Everyone was please just enjoy the moment.
Unbelievable. I've only seen Bromo on Instagram, but I can imagine the atmosphere you must have taken some amazing photos there.
I know the you guys let and fabric. What did you do around Lake Toba? I heard a lot of culture too.
Yes, definitely. I went to Samosir Island, which is in the middle of the lake. It's a very special place for Badak culture. I visited a traditional village called Kutabalon, where they still.
I feel read about that it Sigagale asset in traditional Funatun too.
Yes, that's true. It's part of their buffet system. What impressed me most was how proud they are of their tradition. The locals were really friendly and they love to share stories about their ancestors and custom. I also tried local food like manila. It's like raw fresh manifest with spices. Tastes unique.
That's cool. I love when traveling is just not about seeing sign but also learning about the culture. In Abad, enjoyed a short Balinese jogging class. We talked traditional dishes like ayam butuku and lauk. The instructor also explained the philosophy behind Balinese food and how everything is connected to nature and balance.
That's a great way to experience local life. I think every trip is more meaningful when we interact with the local culture and people at Museum Angkut in Malang. I also learned that not it's not just planned with all car. They have their secret like European style, America's stone, even holiday set is education and fun at the same time.
That's interesting. Did you get to dress up and take photos there?
Absolute a rent or custom, so I took some photo dress like 2020 bentar 1900
Berarti tidak.
absolute day rent or custom, so I love some photo dress like 1000 920. Bridge Gentleman in the London Strike area. I twice Villa Rios and the rest art like I was. They also had some old Indonesian to sell and explain their history.
I think Indonesia has so many beautiful destinations, and we often forget that we don't need to travel abroad to see incredible places.
I totally agree. We there it's just mountains. Our cultural sites, our country has it all. We just need the time and the will to explore.
You more right actually after going to Malang, I met a list of other plan I went to visit next like Belitung, Derawan Iceland and Radapa. Hopeful next year.
That's a great idea. I am planning to go to Lombok or maybe even Flores next. I went to see Komodo National Park before it's due to Komari Jalil.
Flores is high on my list too. Maybe we should plan a trip together one day. It will be more fun and cheaper.
I think we can start stream and saving from now. Let's make it happen. Traveling with friends make the experience 10 times better.
Absolute. And this time, let's make sure to document everything and maybe even start a travel vlog.
Great idea. That way we can inspire more people to travel around Indonesia and appreciate what have.
Deal. Let's do it from now. Let's share the photo and video from our last trip. I'm aiming to see those view from Lake Toba and Ubud.